Same, I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yes, so I welcome you all to your new episode on my noble and humble platform or humble channel. Yeah. So let's go straight to the point. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can make 2000 Ghana cedis every week. So I make more than that. Yeah, and I want to show you. Yeah, and this video, if you already know much about arbitrage, you'll get it fast. But if you're a starter and you find things difficult, you can chat me, because that's why I always leave my number on the screen. You can chat me and I will give you further explanation, or I will take you through things for you to understand. Some people were saying that I was talking too much, because like, if I don't talk too much, how will you understand what I'm saying? So that's it. So if you think I'm talking too much, you can skip it. That's it. Yeah, but if you skip the video, you will not understand anything. If you want to understand my videos, you have to watch from the beginning to the end, so that you understand what I'm about to teach you. Yeah, so I think the talking is too much. Let's jump straight to the platform, and let me show you how you can make money on the dollar arbitrage using your mobile money. Yeah, let me relax. Yeah, so it's still on the ever cent. The reason why I'm not doing a lot of video about how you start ever since, I've already done videos about it. And if you want to know much about it, you can join my training. Yeah, if you check the flyer on the right or the left side, you'll know that I have a training coming up. So I will teach you a lot about this, and you'll get to know much about dollar arbitrage and how to exchange monies and earn profits from it. So I've already showed you how you create your your profile on Evercent. I've shown you everything. Yeah. And people were saying that, you blah blah blah. You see, let me, this one is my demo account. This one is the account that I use to teach people on YouTube. So at times I do some demonstration, and for you to see the amount I've been withdrawing. You see, I've been withdrawing some amount, see, 100 cedis, 100 cedis, 1,000, 500 cedis, 500 cedis, 1,000. You see that thing? I've been withdrawing a lot. You see that thing? I've been withdrawing money from Uganda shillings, from dollars, everything. And this one is not my real account though. This one is for basically for YouTube videos. I use this for my content. Yeah. So at times I do some demonstration on this for you to understand what I'm saying. That's why you see me talking too much, because I want to understand everything. So today I want to show you how you can make 2000 cedis per week. Some people be saying that, oh, it's a scam, it's blah blah blah, because you don't want to learn. That's why you see everything as a scam, and you don't want to humble yourself for people to teach you. So you think that, oh, everything is a scam. It's not true, but people are making a lot from this thing. So before we start today's episode, let me just do one or two touches on my previous video. That's the last 2 days videos I made about how to make 20 cedis per 10 minutes. So I was saying that I want to break a one code in it. So I will not explain it further, but I want to break one code in it. I was saying that since like we have Femex, like we have a lot of USDT wallets, that their rate is very low. It's not that their rate is very low. So this is how we do it. You go to your USD accounts like this, then you go to load. The load, you will not load from your credit card or your debit, because that one, they will deduct a huge amount from it. It's that thing. So you will load your wallet straight from your USDT. This one, Sean. You see, you will load your money from USDT. So you load the money from here straight to your dollar account. I hope I'm making sense. You see, this one at times it takes time to load. Yeah, it seems like time to load. You see, so you will load your money from your, let's say, Binance or blah blah blah, is the right thing, on this app. And because their rate is very good, you compare the rate to this. So this is how we do it. So if you check the rate on, let's say, Binance, I'm not on Binance, so like, I'll not use Binance. I'll use like nobody has found this video, so I will not give any platform shoutouts. But if you are using a USDT wallet, you will check the rate over there. So you will come here and compare the rate. So let's say you come here and compare the rate. You come to exchange. I hope you are following the steps. If you skip one video or one, like, if you skip, let's say, 1 second, you will not understand the video. So please watch the video very well. So Ghana cedis and USDT. So one USD is equal to 11.72. That's when you're exchanging your Ghana cedis to USD. So listen, watch this. So when you're exchanging USD to Ghana cedis, let's say if you have $1, you will get 11.37. So you go to your platform. You go to your platform and load the wallet. So at times they say that there are some charges over it, but me, the wallet I'm using, if I load the money from that wallet to Eversend, they don't charge me anything. It's free. They don't charge me anything. When I use my TRC20, like, they don't charge me anything. So you will load your wallet. You will load your wallet from here. So let's assume, like, in your USDT wallet, $1 is equal to 11.1. 11.1. 11.1. So that means, let's say we have $10. So you have $10. So if $10 is 11.1. So let's go to calculator and let me show you something. I want to make something very easy for you to know that too known will not bring you anything. You have to be humble and watch the video well. Don't skip anything. So let's say I have $100 times 11.1. That's is what? 1,110. That's 1,110 Ghana cedis. 1,110. Let's say, yeah, 1,110. Yeah. So I'll come here. So since, like, I load my account USD and the rate was 11.1. So right now, let's say I have $100. So I want to exchange. So I want to exchange the $100. The $100 on this rate is loading. So $100 on this rate is what? 11.37. 11.37. Money I spent on the $100 in my USDT wallet is 1,110. And if I exchange the USD to Ghana cedis, I got 1,136. So how much profit did I make? I made 26.7 cedis. I made 26.7 cedis. I hope you get it. I made 26. I made 26.7 cedis. This the profit I made from $100. So let's assume I changed 1,000. So let's go here. So the 1,000 times 11.1 is 11,100. That's the amount I spent on $1,000. So when I come here and exchange $1,000 to Ghana cedis, I got what? 11,367. So how much did I make from it? I made 267. I made 267. This is the amount I made from it. I made 267 Ghana cedis from it. So let's assume I have $10,000. I have $10,000. This is the amount I spent on $10,000. $10,000 times 11.1. I spent I spent 111,000 Ghana cedis on $10,000. So what this? And I made, when I changed that $10,000 to Ghana cedis, I made 113,670. That means I made that means I made 2,000. That means I made 2,000. I made 2,670 Ghana cedis. I made 2,670 Ghana cedis. This amount I made. I made 2,670 Ghana cedis. I hope you get it. I hope you get it. So this how you make money on dollar arbitrage. One thing about dollar arbitrage is like the more you invest, the more profits you will get. So if you invested, let's say $100, if you invested, let's say $10, the amount you will get is different from someone who is investing $10,000. You see that thing? Yeah. And like, so it can be like four people can team up and do the arbitrage. That's why I said arbitrage is all about rates. So when you join my next class, when you join, let's say I'll be doing some training next month. So when you join it, I will show you the rates, everything. I will show you the rates, everything. Like when to trade and everything. This one, I wanted to show you something for you to know some things. Yeah, because the previous video I did, some people were doubting that it was true because I didn't go further because I was just doing a tip video towards my next training. You said that thing. Yeah. So I hope you see how you can make the 20,000, 2,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So let's assume after you have made your 2,000 Ghana cedis and you want to withdraw the money, this is how you withdraw it. You withdraw the money. You go to send. See, so if I want to withdraw the money straight to my mobile money or my bank account, let's talk about mobile money. So I'll click on mobile money and click on like my name. You see, so let's assume I don't have my mobile money linked to this. I can click on the top right corner, the plus over there, and add manually of my phone book or phone book. I'll add it to that thing. So simple. Like if I'm transferring 2,000, they will not charge me anything. The fee is free. The fee is free. Then you send your money straight to your mobile money. And when you send the money in the mobile money, and you go to let's say your wallet. Let me go to my Gmail and say something. They will send you message that you have received money from Eversend. They will send you message. So me, I use Femex. Yeah, I use Femex. I don't use Binance. I use Femex. Like you have to check most of this USDT wallets because some of the wallets have like their rates are not good. Some two rate is very good. So you have to check everything and see. Yeah, check everything and see. I want to open it and show you some of the messages they will send you. The thing is not open, but their messages are in the form of this. Like I did some screenshots, so let's watch the screenshots and see whether I'll get some of the screenshots here. I'll send you some screenshots. Yeah. So you check this. So these are some of the screenshots how they like if you send the money to your account, this how it will look like. This kind of thing. You see, yeah, this how it will look like. These are some of the like how it like they send the money, how you see it. Yeah. See, like so don't make anybody like that. Like you can't make money over here because you don't know much about it. That is why you are not making money over here. So you need someone who can mentor you so that like the person will control you. And people will be saying that they have done arbitrage for 3 years. Yo, the arbitrage you have been doing is different from this one. This one, like what you've been doing is different from this. It's different from this. Yeah, it's different from this. So if you don't know anything about this, you have to humble yourself and people to teach you. Yeah, because we all humble ourselves for people to teach us some things. You said that he taught us a lot about these things, and we are also making money from it. So that then, yeah. So if you want me to be your mentor, you can join my group in the description, or you can chat me on the number on the screen, and I'll mentor you. Yeah. So this is how you can make 2,000 a week. People like if you have money, you can even make this 2,000 within a day. Yeah, if you have the capital, you can make the money within a day. You see, and at times too, you can do your exchange small. Let's say you can do it. Let's say 10 times a day. You see, so let's assume I have like yeah, let's assume I've load my wallet and I want to do some like let's say Ghana to let's say Rwanda. Let's say I want to do exchange like this. So I can exchange, let's say 1,000 Ghana cedis, 1,000 Ghana cedis, and I'll get this. Like maybe I got a profit from it. So I have money in my wallet. I can also withdraw the money into my Momo and also come and exchange the money. I can do it like 10 times. I hope you get it. It's only if you have the capital. You can exchange like let's say if your capital is very low, you can do it small, like 10 times a day, and you get a little amount. You can get let's say 100 Ghana cedis a day or 20 Ghana cedis a day if you have a little amount to start your dollar arbitrage on Eversen. It's very simple. All you need is like a good mentorship and you're ready to go. You're ready to go. Everything is simple. So yeah, that's it. That's it. So I think I'm done for today. Yeah. So if you want to join my next class, link up and register and let's do it. I'm out.